I'm making vegan scrambled eggs. Here's what I'm using. Let's go. Add a little oil. To save time, I'm using frozen pepper blend. Sizzling. Peppers are sizzling. We're going to add in the ackee. Add parsley. Dried parsley. Add black salt for that sulfuric eggy aroma and flavor. Add a little black pepper and let the moisture cook out. Okay, the liquid has pretty much cooked out. So what I'm going to do is I lowered the temperature down to like a medium low, and I'm going to move all of the ackee eggs over to one side, and I'm going to add in some of my veggie bean patty just so it can warm through, and I'm going to add a little fennel seed because that's going to give it the taste of sausage. Bean patties are already well cooked and well seasoned, so I'm really just trying to warm these up. That's really it. They've been in the refrigerator, so I'm just going to break this up a little bit. Add a touch of oil just so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Here we go with our fennel seed. Then when that is heat activated by the hot oil, it's going to release the aroma and the flavor, and it's going to be just like sausage. I'll get that mixed in. So it's been a few minutes, so I'm just going to turn the heat off, and I'm just going to let it stay on the eye so that it can let the residual heat continue to cook. Alright guys, to complete my Tex-Mex breakfast, I have my avocado, my tomato. I added in those breakfast potatoes you saw, and we have a complete breakfast. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.